This problem is saying that there is a value of x such that 7 to the power of x minus 2 is equal to 5 to the power of 3 minus that very same x. So how are we going to solve for this? Let's use logs. The very first thing we do is we take the log of both sides. So we start by going log 7 to the power of x minus 2 is equal to log 5 to the power of 3 minus x. Okay, the next thing we want to do is we want to bring down this exponent, x minus 2, and 3 minus x. How do we know we can do that? We know we can do that by looking at our logarithm rules. Okay, and it's this one here in particular, which states that log base a x to the power of n is equal to n log base a x. Right, so what we did is we take that n and we bring it down there. A little bit messy. Okay. Basically, this n can be written in front of the log base a x. So let's do that then. Bring this down, and it's x minus 2 log 7 is equal to 3 minus x log 5. Okay, now if we distribute these terms like such, we'll get x log 7 minus 2 log 7, and that's equal to 3 log 5 minus x log 5. Okay, the next step here is we want to take the terms with x and put them on the same side so we can factor out the x and isolate the x, because that's what we're solving for. So if we move the x terms onto the same side, that's going to give us x log 7 plus, so we moved it over, x log 5 equal to, and while we're at it, we're going to move these non-x log terms onto the same side, denoted by that sort of dark green color. So that will give us 3 log 5, that stays there. Moving over the negative 2 log 7, we get positive 2 log 7. And now we can factor out the x on the left side. So that will give us x log 7 plus log 5. And that's equal to 3 log 5 plus 2 log 7. Dividing both sides by log 7 plus log 5 will isolate that x. Okay? Why? Because they'll cancel out. Okay? So let's complete this here. Log 7 plus log 5. And on the left side, we're left with x is equal to 3 log 5 plus 2 log 7 all over log 7 plus log 5. Now that's your exact answer. Depending on how your teacher wants you to answer, if it's a test with no calculator, this will very likely be your final submission. However, if your teacher wants you to use a calculator and give him or her an answer to 4 decimal places. I'm not going to do it live here, but by plugging this into your calculator to 4 decimal places, you're going to get 2.4527. Okay, so depending on what you're asked for, if you're asked for an exact answer, then it'll be the answer underlined in red. And if you're asked for a decimal answer to, X decimal places, then it'll be the answer underlined in green there. Okay, so as usual, I'll scroll out and allow you to pause the video to see sort of how we arrived there. Really, it's just the first sort of rule, and then after that, it's just algebra, factoring out the x, isolating it, and solving. Okay, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. See you later.